Namaste my dear friend, today I am here with a new video. This is for class 11 chapter number set. Some topic today we will discuss. So my topic is subset. So let's see what is subset. A set A is said to be a subset of a set B if every element of set A is also an element of B. Mathematically, A is a subset of B if A belongs to capital A and this implies A belongs to B. Actually, in other words, you can say suppose A is a subset of B, means every element of all the elements of A must be lies in the element of B. Then you can say A is a subset of B. We can read above statement. We can read as A is a subset of B if A is an element of B implies that A is also an element of B. Okay, note, if A is not a subset of B, we write A not subset of B. If it is not a subset, then we cut this. Okay, so some example for subset. The set of rational number, the set of Q, that is rational number, is a subset of the set R of real number. Yes, we know all the rational number are lies in the set what? Real number. So therefore Q is a subset of R. Okay. Next 2 number example you see. Let A equal to 1, 3, 5. A set contain 3 element 1, 3, 5 and B set contain, suppose X says that X is an odd natural number less than 6. What are the odd natural number less than 6? That are odd natural number, that is odd means which is not divisible by 2, that are odd. So 1, then 3, then 5. 1, 3, 5. Okay, 1, 3, 5. Then A is a subset of B because 1, 3, 5 all lies in this set B. So therefore A is a subset B. And similarly B is a subset of A because all the element of B also lies in A. Mane A contain equal number of element, B contain equal number of element. Therefore A is a subset of B and B is a subset of A. So if A is a subset of B and B is a subset of A, then you will get A is equal to B. Okay, in the earlier class we have already learned equal set. Okay, so 3 number you see, let A equal to A E I O U and B is equal to A B C D. Now you see whether all the element of A lies in B or not. A E I O U, only A is lies in the set B, but E I O U are not in the set B. So therefore A is not a subset of B. Okay, so finally we can conclude that the subset means subset A suppose A set is said to be a subset of another set if all the element of A set contain in the set B, then you can say A is a subset of B. Okay, so now another topic we will discuss. Next, subset of real number. Subset of real number, actually all sets, suppose natural number, integer, rational, irrational, all are subset of real number. Okay, so we know the natural number are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The set of integer, that is up to left hand side, it is up to infinity, minus infinity, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3 up to infinity. Okay, the set of rational number, suppose the number which can be expressed in the form of P by Q, these are what? Rational number. These all are subset of what? Real number. Okay, so here natural number are included in Z, so therefore natural number is a subset of integer, and all the integer are rational number, so integer is a subset of rational number, and or rational number is a subset of real number. Okay, so you can say natural number, integer, irrational number, rational number, all are the subset of real number. Okay, so next very important point, that is interval as a subset of R. Intervals, there are different types of interval is there. First one is open interval. Open interval means let a b belongs to R and a is less than b, then the set of real number y such that a is less than y less than b. Okay, is called an open interval and is denoted by a comma b. We use the small bracket. This is known as open interval. In the open interval, we cannot consider the n element, that is we cannot consider a and b. In between a and b we take the element, but a and b we cannot consider, so that is open interval. Suppose one interval is given, suppose you suppose 1 comma 4 natural number between in this is this interval. In this interval natural number are what? 2 and 3. We cannot consider 1 and 4 because this is a open interval, so we cannot consider 1 and 4. Only the 2 and 3 are the element of this interval. Okay, so closed interval, open interval means we cannot consider the n element. You can write this open interval in the form of this: a less than y less than b. Okay, or you can write this is in this way. Suppose 1 less than, suppose x less than 4. X is a natural number, like that. In this way you can write. Okay, next 2 number is closed interval. Closed interval, the interval which contain the n point also is called closed interval and is denoted by big bracket of a comma b. Means in closed interval we consider both a and b, both the end point. Thus a comma b can write in the form of a such that x less than equal x and less than equal to b. Okay, so here it is open. This is the symbol for open, therefore a are not contain this element and b not contain this b is not contained in the set. Here we are darkening this part, means this is closed interval, so a also lies here and b also lies here. For example, suppose if you take 2 comma suppose 7, so you have to what are the natural number, you have to find all the natural number in between this interval. So because this is closed interval, so you have to take 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In this way all the number in between 2 and 7 and 2 and 7 also. Okay, so this is about closed interval. So next, one close and one open. Suppose one side is closed, one is another side is open. So in this case also, for that case you have to for closed part you have to take element, and for the open part you have to neglect that element. Means here we can consider the endpoint a and we cannot consider the endpoint of b. So this is the one close and one open. Suppose first one is closed and second one is open. Suppose first one is closed and first one is open and second one is closed, then also here we cannot consider a and b we consider. Okay, so this is about the one closed and one open. Okay, these are the 4 interval. Okay, so next another important point is power set. So power set, the collection of all subset of a, subset of a set capital A is called the power set of A. It is denoted by P of A. The collection of all the subset you can say that is power set. For example, suppose A set contain 1, 2, then power set, collection of all subset. We can make different types of subset. Suppose containing 1, all if you take 1 also subset of A. If you take 2, then 2 is also subset of this. In this way all the subset, that is you always remember phi is always a subset of every set. Okay, so here phi also one power subset. Then for containing 1 element, for containing 2 element and both element. So these are the 4 subset of this set, and you can say this is the power set. So number of power set, how many element contained in the power set. So that is number of PA equal to 4. You can express 2 to the power 2. Means you can express in general form. In general form, if A is a set with n number of A equal to m, it can be expressed, it can be shown number of PA, mean number of power set is equal to 2 to the power m. Suppose A set contain 3 element 1, 2, 3. So number of PA equal to how many? 2, 1, 2, 3, 2 to the power 3. So you will get 8. So here how many element is there? 8 element is there. Okay, this is about power set. So next, universal set. Universal set means this is the whole set, no, total bigger set. Suppose A, B, C, 3 sets are there. If you write all set are together, then you will get the universal set. In this way, real number, natural number, irrational number, integer, if you take these are in together, you will get the real number. Real number is the universal set of that all those number. Okay, in this way, A, B, C, 3 set is there. If you write all the number in together, that is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, next 4, 5, next 6, 7, 8. You have to write one number one times. So here 3 is there, we cannot write 3. After 3, 4, 5 is there. Here 6, 7, 8 is there. If you write together, you will get the universal set. Okay, this is about our subset of real number and interval and power set and the universal set. Okay, you try to remember all this definition and concept very clearly. Okay, so next we will discuss the exercise of this chapter. So you try to if you like my video, please put comment on the comment box, and if you not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel. I'll come with a new video. So thank you.